Hi guys, Dev-initly Mario here. Today we want to work on our first map. We want today to build out our tent. Let us change to Unreal Engine. First I show you what you can expect from this video. We will build up our tent, place our equipment here over, bring in our board and some node. A computer for the video camera we want to use later on, a mouse, a keyboard, a little coffee, so it looks a little bit as anyone could live here. I decide to not go and use all the space because I think we had 1, 2, 3 items here in the game. We have our UV lamp. Maybe you will got a camcorder, you will got a tripod and so on. So you need some space for your own game. So I reduce it to the necessary things for our first demo level we need to have. So yeah. Now we go into our level here. Here we don't have all these things. We start with the lamp you see before. So I find the lamp in Fab, lamp, and if you scroll a little down, you will find the hanging lamp. Where it is. Yeah, where it is a good question. Maybe I'm scroll too fast. Where the lamp is. Sometimes you search for the exact same thing and you have the feeling the output is not the same. But I'm sure it's only a feeling. Maybe I'm not get lamp here. Wait, short. Yeah, if you go for hanging lights, you will find it here. There you have the lamp. So hanging lights, we bring it in. And you will see it's way too large. So we scale it down to 0.002, I think. That was too much. 0.05, 0.02, 0.01. Yeah, it's better. So we bring it, let us go to unlit so we see a little bit more. Bring him to the middle of the tent. Maybe here. Maybe there. Yeah, better. Now we call that tent lamp. And we bring in a new spotlight. Bring that under the temp lamp. And bring the lamp here. Yeah. Bring it center. And we want lumen. We go for 500. We go here to lit. We want to see the illumination. We want here 3000. We want an inner cone of 32, an outer cone of 92. So maybe we want an inner cone of 60. Yes, it's better, but enough. Let us go on 1000. No, let's make it not much better. So strength 15. Yeah. So we need a good light, but I think we want to need 2 of them to illuminate this a little bit better. Yeah, we go here, we duplicate the lamp and bring him. Yeah, like here. So now we illuminate the whole tent. So let us bring the tables a little better in place. And go here, bring him here, and here we did the same. Yeah. Now let us place our equipment. For that you go to your horror game folder, then you go to equipment, and here we got our EMFs. Here we got our nodes. We will rotate them, so we got it here. You can put it on the table like ever you want. I decide to make it like this. You can decide to make it in another way. So we put them here, and give them here. And so we bring in on the table. You see, we had to adjust that a little and bring it up and adjust that a little more. Okay. Now we put 3 of them. So now we got our equipment on the tables. Now we need a new table here. We rotate him 90 degrees there. Bring in here. And we want to put our monitor. So go on Fab, search for monitor, get price to free. And you will find this monitor. That's the one I use. You could take which monitor you ever want. And the monitor is where it is. Let me look. Notice board, street style, slide, mini keyboard. Yeah, here's the mini keyboard. Let us played this before, so we got it. Why not? So for the mini keyboard, search for mini keyboard, get for free, and you will find here the mini keyboard. We go on and search for our monitor. The monitor is here. We bring it in. It's way too big. It's way too big. It's way too big. It's way big. It's way too small. Too big. That's okay. Now we got our monitor. So we search for our mouse. And we find our mouse where? Notice board. Scan lamp. Yeah, sometimes it's not easy. to find the things. Yeah, let us look here sometimes. Oh no. Not good. Okay, so let us make the board first. For the board, I search for the word board. Give board, go on price, free, and you will find this board with some of them. So it's a good board because it's hanging. So what I mean, I will show you board. Notice board, here's it. Notice board. And you see what I mean? It's hanging, so we can hang it here. If you want to make it very good, you should bring something here so it makes more sense. It's hanging. Now it's not really hanging, you know what I mean. So here I make a note for this node. No, not this. This node, I think it's have a really nice look and can be pinged to the board. So you could bring here some Polaroids or newspaper or something else to bring the feeling there's information about the mission. Yeah. Here on the table I got some I like it, an iced coffee. So you can bring it here, but it's totally too high scale. Yeah. So it looks like someone is working here. It's a nice detail. So here could be some papers and so on. But I miss my mouse, and that's a little bit. Right, mini keyboard. I have a search board. Wait a short moment. There I find the mouse. Static mesh. And we'll bring our mouse in. So here. Yeah, perfect. So one more thing we have to do with both lights. We take the temperature and bring it to 4000. So the light is more like this one. So now we got our mouse. In Fab, I will show you how you can find it. Mouse, you will get it here, or you can take this. It doesn't matter. Then the coffee. Go on. Sorry. Go on free, and you will find the coffee here. And we got our burn letter. No, it's a burn. No, this. Let us show how it called exactly. Run document. And there it is. So now we can bring this into. It's a nice assets. And we can put that here to make the tent more comfortably, more look like something where really someone is working in. Got the paper here. Bring it here. We got here is the holder. Let's bring that to 0.2, and now we can put them here. And now it looks more, someone is really working here. So for that, we could search for maybe something from here too. What is this exactly? Yeah, why not? It's good to have something to do with a ghost. Bring it there. Bring it here. Bring it there. Bring it to the half of the size. Bring it down. So this 3 pins hold this. And we could look more here to something we could add. Yeah, why not? No, not this. What is with that card exactly? Yeah, why not? It looks pretty. We'll bring it here, we scale it down, we scale it more down. We bring it. We scale it more down, yeah. Bring it to this pin. And you see it's more details and more details ever good. So now if we go to the tent, you will see if we go in, we have our lights. We're a little too high, we will change it. We got here classified information, we see this. We see here a mysterious map. We see some files there. A coffee is ready for us, but the light is too shiny. So we have to correct the lights. Buchstaben too shiny, we go down to 25 and we go further down to 105 and we try again. So we see now it looks better. They are too large. They had a good. There maybe we can scale down too. But all in one, we got now a nice headquarter. For this video, we will end at this point. In the next video, we will finish up the headquarter and then we will finish up our exterior here. So that is not a good garden. So we will bring some flowers and so on. So it looks like someone is really living here. So level design is much work, heavy work, but we will did it and we will get at the end a fine level. So here at some point we can bring some ton. So the roar goes into a rain ton, and yeah, things like that. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. If you're not at the moment on my Discord, I would love to see you there. Let me subscribe here if you want to, and we see us in the next video. See ya.